today I'm going to show you how to use a practical tool that everybody needs to have in their junk drawer. I use it all the time. It's a stud finder, and this particular model is made by Zircon. This is the Stud Sensor Pro SL, and even if you don't have the same model, all these same basics are going to apply to finding a stud in your wall. And there are some felt pads attached to it, that way it just slides across the wall without scuffing it. But we're going to go ahead and power it on and slide it across, and you'll see the laser lights up here, and that's actually where the stud is. But it's easier if you come back with a pencil and then mark it. That way when you come back to drill your stud, you'll know where you're hitting. So the first laser is where the stud begins. The second laser is where it begins on the other side. So basically, in a nutshell, what we're doing is just marking each end. So come across here, make your mark on the stud, come across, and then make your mark on the other side. And then that's the total width of the stud and the wall. And then if you're going to drill, you'll come right in between it. And that's going to be center stud. That's where you want to hang your picture or whatever it is you may be putting up. And this model comes with a deep scan function, and many other models do as well. So if you hit the button twice, the deep scan light will come on. And if you're doing something in some thicker wall, or you're having trouble like this right here, where the stud's just not really showing up well, the drywall may be just a little bit thicker, there may be something else in the way. So go into deep scan mode, and it's going to detect the stud a little bit deeper in the wall for you. Some people just use this right out the gate, but it's typically not necessary unless you're having some kind of issues locating it. And another time where you might need the deep scan mode is here where we have some shiplap on the wall. Without the deep scan, it wasn't picking the stud up very well. Even though you can see the nails, we know where the stud's at. But you want to go into deep scan mode just to make sure. So this tool will help you out in that type of scenario. And if for some reason you don't have a stud finder, there's still an old school method of locating that. You can tap on the wall. I'll let you give it a listen. So you can see it's definitely more solid and less hollow on top of a stud. So if you're just doing a quick picture hang and don't want to buy a stud finder, that's an option. And although I've never actually had to change the battery in my stud sensor, I've used this thing tons of times. I'll go ahead and show you how to do that. It'll vary slightly model to model, but basically this little clip just comes on pop, and then you'll have your 9-volt battery that slides out here. Just make sure you get your positive and your negative lined up in the right place, and then just switch your new battery out, and everything just clips back into place. So it's very easy, very simple. Again, this is just a simple tool that I feel like everybody needs to have. This stud finder has been used in my house for over 10 years at this point, so it's definitely very reliable. I'll have a link for it in the description. But if you have any questions about this video, or if you have any questions about locating studs in your walls, definitely leave those in the comments below. I always enjoy hearing from you guys, and I try to get back to everybody as much as possible. But in the meanwhile, I really appreciate you for tuning in. We'll see you on the next video.